is all the cladding designs.
This is all wall claddings, which is used for interiors and exteriors. Whatever the designs you see here, it is all pre-fixed designs, colors, everything from the factory. And the maximum component used in this product is crushed glasses and concrete mix. It's all handmade designs. Around 60-70% it is done on molds only. The final process only we use electricity and things for the final finish.
So what about the pricing point of view? For example, as you said, this is an exclusive collection. So if we visit your Ananagar showroom or something,
the price range generally for this is 350 onwards it starts.
Like
other segment
Toflur.
is our own kitchen.
Okay.
We have our manufacturing plant at Pundamalli.
Okay.
It is all customizable kitchen only.
Completely stainless
steel. Pure
steel.
Stainless steel.
Yeah.
You can't even see any of the wood portions in this. This is a pantry unit.
Yeah.
Where it's a storage place for kitchen items.
So this lights are also done by.
Lights is again one more product from Flexstone.
Oh, from Flexstone.
It is similar to the styrofoam products, where in the thermocol we bend it, apply our nano topping material on this.
Okay.
So it gives you that little bit of old antique looks.
Yes.
Where you are having an open out dining or anything.
It looks really classy and very neat. So, nammaloda Build HQ series we are here in Flexstone and Toflur. So, Flexstone is for the cladding and Toflur is for stainless kitchen. So, we are here to see what their unique products are and what can they offer, for anyone who walks in the experience center, enna mariyana things use pannalam, where it can be used, and what are their unique products which they have. So, we'll discuss with them and see how it can be helpful for your projects as well. So, come in. So, hi sir.
Hi. Karthik.
So, yeah, Salman here. So, what is Flexstone, sir? Like, what is it about? And
Flexstone is a company based out of Ahmedabad.
Okay.
They are purely into concrete wall claddings for interior and exteriors. So, we have taken a dealership for Chennai.
Okay.
So, we cater to the customer in and around Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and we travel up to Nellore.
Nellore, okay. That's great. So, this is all the cladding
designs. This is all
designs.
wall claddings, which is used for interiors and exteriors.
Interiors and exteriors. It's completely waterproof.
It is completely waterproof, and whatever the designs you see here, it is all pre-fixed designs, colors, everything from the factory.
So people don't have to worry about patterns. You have a number of collections.
Number of collections are there, but whatever collections we have,
it is all pre-designed.
It is all pre-designed.
Yeah, we cannot do any customization.
Any customization is required. That depends on a
large
square
scale
feet and other things.
Understood. Okay.
And second thing, here we have displayed our premium products here, and we have our experience center at Ananagar Shanti Colony.
Ananagar Shanti Colony.
Shanti Colony, Chennai.
Where we have displayed around 6,500 square feet.
6,500 square feet. It is like level of.
No,
yeah.
it is
the
entire 3,000 square
That's
feet
great.
area.
Okay.
Display is around 6,500 square feet.
That's nice.
So the advantage in this product is it can take any climate conditions like rainy season, summer season, winter season. Nothing will happen to this.
That's amazing.
And the maximum component used in this product is crushed glasses and concrete mix. It's all handmade designs. Around 60-70% it is done on molds only. The final process only we use electricity and things for the final finish.
So the customer comes and buys a product, or they have decided this product they need. So how long it will take for Flexstone to deliver, and what about the installation? Installation will be suggested by Flexstone, or they have to see other people?
See, delivery part from Flexstone, it takes 3 to 4 weeks max.
Okay.
Depends on the quantity. Second thing, installation based on the square feet. If it is roughly around 1000 square feet, 10 to 15 days. We have our own team to do the installation. The people are trained by Flexstone because this is being a specialized stone.
Yes, that's true.
We need that experienced people to handle the stones for bonding it with the wall. And Flexstone give us adhesive to paste it with the tile and the wall.
That's great.
So the bonding happens on the wall as well as on the tile. Then we paste it. And the main advantage is the color, nothing will happen. We give 20-25 years guarantee on that.
Yeah.
And anything falls or what, we'll replace it. But we give that much of guarantee on the product.
That's nice. So what about the pricing point of view? For example, as you said, this is an exclusive collection. So if we visit your Ananagar showroom or something.
The price range generally for this is 350 onwards it starts.
Okay.
The maximum is 750. So there are different formats of stones are there, like strip format, panel format, stone format, tile format, brick format.
Okay.
So these are the components in this.
That's great. So in if they visit the Ananagar showroom, they'll find more collections and all.
Exactly.
This. Okay. That's great. So what about other features, sir? Like apart from Flexstone?
Apart from Flexstone, in Flexstone itself, we have got one new product which is called nano topping. It is compared to that cement flooring or red oxide flooring. It is a seamless flooring without any joints on this.
Yeah, it's like completely done in.
The thing is, it can be done on zero level on the floor.
So there won't be any undulations or
nothing.
Yeah, okay.
It depends on how smooth is your surface down.
Okay.
And it can be laid above the existing tiles. It can be used on side walls, ceilings, bathroom side walls. The same thing can be applied on MDF tables also.
Okay. So this has already been applied?
Yeah, this is one of the shade.
That's nice.
So we can bring in around 30 colors of this.
30 colors. Okay. So the name what you said is?
Nano topping.
Nano topping. Okay.
It is similar to that micro topping.
Okay. That's great, sir. Like
other segment is our own kitchen.
Okay.
We have our manufacturing plant at Pundamalli.
Okay.
It is all customizable kitchen only.
Completely stainless
steel. Pure
steel.
Stainless steel.
Yeah.
You can't even see any of the wood portions in this. Here the hob will come, so it is dummy one.
Okay, understood. Very neatly finished. So I think stainless kitchen.
The advantage of stainless steel kitchen, advantage wise, it's like a one-time investment.
Nothing happens.
Rust proof. We give around 30 years guarantee for stainless steel, and whatever the accessories we use, it is all blum, kittic or half-lick. No breeding place for cockroaches, termites.
Water is no problem at all.
Water no problem. If it spills, you can clean it. Weekly once you can maintain it with soap water or Colin or whatever it is. But definitely it will be slightly more expensive than when you compare with a normal modular kitchen. But when you compare with premium brands, we will be costlier by 10 to 15%.
Only thing they have to think about is if they are looking for a very futuristic and maintenance free, this is a good solution.
And second thing, you go up with any kitchen, they might say I use this, but again there will be a wood portion in that.
That's true. So it's completely stainless steel.
It is all pure.
So what is the time taken?
The grade of stainless steel what we use is 304.
304. Okay.
And time taken for production will be 3 to 4 weeks.
3 to 4 weeks.
And installation will be around 1 week to 10 days max. It depends on the site, how large, how big.
So for example, ipo or customer point of view la a starting range of stainless kitchen will be like somewhere can you suggest like 3 to 4 lakhs or something like that?
So we don't go by that, but generally this pricing works on based on the measurement of the kitchen. What do you want exactly?
Okay.
For example, what I can say is, if you need 2+1 carcass like this, cutlery unit 2s, then one long draw, this will be close to about 1 lakh.
Okay.
You need this 2 long shelves, long draws, it will be around 80 to 85k.
Okay. With all the
accessories everything, full built.
Okay, full
built. No, it's just this is a pantry unit.
Yeah.
Where it's a storage place for kitchen items.
So everything is 304 grade
All are
stainless steel.
304, and the paint on stainless steel, it can be matched to your tile floor colors or wall colors. 85% match we can bring in.
Understood.
And this wood finish is not a tile or stickering. It's again a paint on stainless steel.
Oh, that's great. It looks like a real wood finish.
So what paint we use is Deco paints, which goes through the heat process to get it merged on the stainless
So
steel.
there won't be any bulging or something like that. Okay.
I'm cleaning it every day with coolant,
Colin.
water, nothing.
Easy maintenance. That's great. So this lights are also done by
Lights is again one more product from Flexstone.
from Flexstone.
It is similar to the styrofoam products, where in the thermocol we bend it, apply our nano topping material on this.
Okay.
So it gives you that little bit of old antique looks,
Yes.
where you are having a open out dining or anything.
It
there
looks
can be
really
done.
classy and very neat. Styrofoam it is, right?
It's almost styrofoam material.
That's great. So I would say, I mean, they have a very good collection of cladding, and also people can definitely think about stainless kitchen. I feel this is of like people who can think about future, and they don't want any trouble of maintenance or something. They have to take a suggestion for this. And also their Ananagar showroom, they have a huge collection, like it's about 6,000 square feet, and they can definitely visit and see a lot of cladding options, and what can be used for exterior and interior. So thank you, sir. Thanks a lot
Thank
for
you.
a quick walkthrough of this. என்னென்ன மாதிரி திங்ஸ்லாம் பண்றீங்க
நம்ம
சுஸ்ரேல?
டைனிங் டேபிள்ஸ் பண்ணுறோம், சென்டர் டேபிள்ஸ்,
Okay.
சைட் டேபிள்ஸ் பண்ணுறோம், ஸ்டேர் கேஸ் புது கான்செப்ட் நம்மளே பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். இது
ஓ, ஸ்டேர்கேஸ் பண்றீங்க.
ஸ்டேர் கேஸ் பண்ணுறோம்.
ஓகே, இதுல வந்து எப்படி லைக் அங்க லைக் லெட்ஸ் சே பில்டிங்ல வந்து ஆல்ரெடி ஸ்டேர்கேஸ் இருக்கும். சோ அதுக்கு மேல பண்றதா?
அப்படியும் பண்ணலாம். நம்ம மேலே டாப்ல ஒரு மார்பிள் இருக்கு,
இல்ல எம்டியா இருந்துச்சுன்னா சப்போஸ் ஸ்டேர்கேஸ் பண்ணா அதையும் நீங்க
அதையும் பண்ணலாம். வித் மெட்டல் ஃப்ரேமோட நாங்கள் பண்ணி தரோம்.
மெட்டல் ஃப்ரேமோட
நம்ம பண்ணலாம்.
வுட்ன்றது டீக்கா?
வுட் வந்து டீக் வுட் தான் யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம்.
Okay.
பேசிக் தான்.